His Excellency Wang Yi. The Honorable Enrique Manalo, Secretary of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of the Philippines. Your Excellency Wang Yi, State Councilor and Foreign Minister of the People's Republic of China. Ambassador Wang Xiyan of the People's Republic of China in the Republic of the Philippines. The Honorable Public Works and Highways Secretary Manuel and Wang. Chairperson Emilio Aquino of the Securities and Exchange Commission. The Honorable Undersecretary Mark Dennis Oben of the Department of Finance. The Honorable Undersecretary Emil Sadarin of the DPWH. The Honorable and Assistant Secretary Gina Hamuramin of the Office of International Economic Relations of the DIA and stand beside the commemorative plaque. Once completed, the bridge will provide a resilient and reliable transportation link between Metro Davao and Samal Island, reducing travel time from 26 to 30 minutes to only 5 minutes. May we now request the Honorable Secretary Manalo and His Excellency Wang Yi to unveil the commemorative plaque. Thank you, Honorable Secretary Manalo and His Excellency Wang Yi. May we now request His Excellency Ambassador Wang Xiyan, DPWH Secretary Manuel M. Bunoan, to be accompanied by Undersecretary Emil Sadarin to join the Secretary of Foreign Affairs and State Councilor and Foreign Minister, His Excellency Wang Yi, to unveil the scale model.
Excuse me. Photo.
Atas kayo, may zoom here. Atas kayo.
Our esteemed dignitaries may now unveil the scale model.
Uy, sapaw tayo. Photo.
As we can see, the bridge will connect the Samal Circumferential Road to the Island Gardens of the Samal to Davao City. It has a total length of close to 4 kilometers, width of 24 meters, and vertical navigational clearance of up to 47 meters. The bridge will cross over Patututan Strait and will be supported by 2 pylons or towers with a height of 70 meters. At this juncture, we will be signing the Memorandum of Understanding on providing financial services to promote the cooperation between the stock exchanges of the Philippines and China. May we request the signatories, PSC President and CEO Mr. Monzon and Country Head Dongchin may now sign the MOU. The MOU on providing financial services to promote cooperation between the stock exchanges of the Philippines seeks to promote bilateral investment and trade through capital markets linkages between the Philippines and China. It also seeks to create a Philippine-China trading link that would give Chinese investors access to shares listed in the Philippines and vice versa within their statutory authority and in accordance with relevant laws and regulations. May we request the Honorable Secretary and His Excellency, together with President Monzon and Country Head Dongchin, to stand and pose for a photo opportunity. May we request His Excellency Ambassador Wang Xiyan, Honorable Undersecretary Mark Dennis Oben of the Department of Finance, and Chairperson Emilio Aquino of the Securities and Exchange Commission to pose for a photo opportunity.